Hello everyone, here is the updated 2024 PBA Playoffs bracket, game results and standings today through May 24th. First game, Barangay Ginebra San Miguel wins over the Meralco Bolts 90-71. San Miguel center Japeth Aguilar scored 21 points, 4 rebounds and 2 assists. Second game, San Miguel Beermen wins over the Rain or Shine Elasto Painters 107-100. Beermen shooting guard CJ Perez scored 26 points, 2 rebounds and 4 assists. PBA semifinals game schedule on May 26, 2024. San Miguel Beermen advanced to the PBA Finals. Barangay Ginebra San Miguel vs Meralco Bolts Game 5 kick-off at 6:15 p.m. Eastern Time. RPTV will broadcast the game on May 26, 2024. Barangay Ginebra vs Meralco Bolts Game Recap. Game 1, Barangay Ginebra wins 92-88. Game 2, Meralco Bolts wins 103-91. Game 3, Meralco Bolts wins 87-80. Game 4, Barangay Ginebra wins 90-71. Beermen vs Elasto Painters Game Recap. San Miguel Beermen wins Series 4-0 over the Rain or Shine Elasto Painters. And finally advanced to the 2024 PBA Finals.